Afternoon, guys. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School, back with another video in our series on 5 minutes to better bushcraft. We've got our camp set up. We've talked a little bit about hanging and cooking and things like that. Let's talk for a minute about lighting. Candle stubs are something that a lot of people carry either in their fire kit or in their kit in general to light their camp, and sometimes you carry candle lanterns. But there's a way to make a candle stand or a candle lamp very quickly using natural materials. I'm going to show you that today. Okay, making this happen, not a big deal. We need one stake that we've shaved the bark off of and pointed, just cut off with our saw. A few pieces of bark that we can get a nice piece of inner bark out of, and another piece of harder bark. Our candle stub and some cordage. We're ready to go to town. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to lash this thing just a little bit so that it doesn't split out here in just a few minutes when we get ready to split it, because we're going to split this thing in just a minute. And we don't want it to split all the way down. So to keep that from happening, we're going to just put a whipping on the line, on the pole itself here. And we've done this in other videos. Pretty simple stuff. Just going to yank that in there good and tight. We can trim all that off later. Then we're going to take our knife and we're going to split this stake right in the middle, basically, just like this. And open it up. Next step in the process is going to be to take a piece of inner bark that's going to wrap our candle stub just like this, and we're going to slide that inner bark into this kerf that we just made with our knife, or the split that we just made with our knife. And that's why I was telling you it's kind of important to keep that open as best you can. And then if we pull that into that thing just like this, it will friction hold that candle stub just like that. Now, the only problem you have now is weather and wind. I'm going to show you how to take care of that as well. We're going to cut ourselves a windscreen out of this stiffer bark, just like this. The trick is doing this without breaking the bark, because we want to split this bark as well. And a saw is probably not the best way to do that. Probably should do it with our knife, because we don't want to split it all the way down, but we want to split it enough that we can get it wrapped around here just like this. But I still might be able to get the job done here. We'll see. There we go. Now we've got our candle lantern made. All that's left to do is light our candle. Being a little stubborn today, probably. We'll get there. There we go. Give her time to catch up there. Okay, guys, well, I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. I appreciate you joining me for this quick video, 5 minutes to better bushcraft, on how to make a bushcraft candle lantern. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, and I'll be back with another video as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.